Hiya guys, you alright? Nice to see you. Thanks for coming. Hi, I'm Jordan, Customer Services Advisor here at Strongdor, and I've worked at Strongdor for 10 months. My role at Strongdor is to provide exceptional after-sales care, ensuring customer satisfaction throughout the entire process, from order to installation and beyond. Ooh, blimey. If I could learn how to do anything, it would probably... I'm quite musical, so it'd probably be to learn how to play another kind of musical instrument, maybe like piano or something, and really love those old films, like, you know, from the 40s, 30s, so, you know, Gene Kelly kind of stuff, so to learn how to tap dance I think would be really cool. The thing I love most about working for Strongdor is, I think, the team spirit, because, you know, no matter the site or the department, everyone's working towards the same goal. In customer service, I get to see how all the teams pull together to deliver a great product and a happy customer. It's a very, very supportive place to work, and I've learnt so much since day one, so I've got to thank the guys for that. If I had to describe myself in 3 words, I think I'd say adaptable, creative and sociable. I think adaptable because in my role things can change quickly, you've got to think on your feet. Creative, I'm always trying to find solutions for customers, often means thinking outside the box. And sociable because, you know, building good relationships between colleagues and customers makes everything run smoother. Hi there, I'm Jordan and I beat the chaser.